project with Let's Go Paint, we have decided to create an acrylic fluid pouring dripping art piece. Here are some examples of what we have created. The materials you will need is cups full of paint with any color, a canvas, a cup full of water in order to mix the colors. You also need a towel and 2 cups of acrylic paint mixed with water. Brush a thin layer of Gesso Primer onto the canvas and wait for it to dry. Put 1/2 of acrylic paint and 1/2 of water into 1 cup. And make sure the consistency isn't too runny or too watery. And if it is, add more acrylic, and then you should add a small amount of a binding medium. Then, pour the cup with white paint on top and spread it out with a hairdryer on maximum power. Then, you have to pour the other chosen colors in either puddles or lines onto the canvas. Colors can be overlapped as well, as this will create better effects. And finally, using the hairdryer, blow the paint out so it spreads out and creates a water marble effect. You can add more color, however, remember to turn off the hairdryer when doing so. Now wait for it to dry and you are done.